Okay na yan, boy? Hey, okay ma'am, sir. So, good morning and welcome to our first station. So, we'll be the Secret Lagoon. So, ma'am, sir, so the entrance of the Secret Lagoon introducing the people. So, that's the part of the entrance of the Secret Lagoon. So, everyone, so, from here, everybody, so, we have to swim, okay? And, of course, those are not good swimmers. Put on your best and bring your underwater camera. Okay, and also skippers or aquarium. Because there's places a lot of rock or too much rock, okay? So we'll start 35 to 40 minutes here, okay? So get ready first, everybody, okay? So from here, mag-swimming tayo. We want you to just leave two things.
Under the sun we find the way. Rays of gold, they guide the day. In the breeze we start to sway, dreaming dreams that drift away. Island rhythms in our soul, waves of sound that make us whole. Feel the beat as it takes control. Lose yourself, let go the goal. Feel the light, feel the love. Soft like feathers of a dove. Deep like ocean skies above. We're together, that's enough.
Kaya pa muna, sir, ha? Oo, step. Ikaw po tayo, ako ha? Alright, 1, 2. John, kami dyan pa sa'yo, John.
Ikaw muna.
Ano yung tali pang lakyan? Sige. Huwag mo naman itulak ate yung bata.
Hindi na yung bata. 30 na yan.
Sino ba yung nag-away kanina?
Lampingan namin yun.
Ah, lambingan? Kala ko nag-away kayo. Iulo ko tayo mamaya sa lao.
Oh, baka mabasag yung bato.
Stars come out, they start to dance. Moonlight gives that second chance. In the night we're in a trance, lost in reggae and romance. Electronic vibes collide. In the night we won't divide. Feel the pulsing deep inside. Let the rhythm be our guide. Morning comes, we greet the day. Still we move in our own way.
Hey, Glad!
Peace and love, they're here to stay.
Sama ka pala.
Reggae beats, they never stray. Feel the light, feel the love. Soft like feathers of a dove. Deep like ocean skies above. We're together, that's enough.
So, excuse me everyone, ma'am, sir. So, welcome to our third stop. Okay, ma'am, sir. Supposed to be, that's our lunch there in front of the Simiso Island. So, this place is then the Simiso. But the problem, our boat, we cannot dock to the beach. It's because the water now is too shallow. Okay? So, instead, there in the beach in our land, so here in the floating restaurant po. Okay, okay na po ba? Tatawag tayo siya. Kasi nga mahirap doon tayo makasigit, saka maghuhog tayo ng medyo may kalayuan. So ito naman, malaki naman yung space natin. So pwede naman tayo after ng get up po natin, kung siya mapwede sa side or sa taas, pwede naman po. Okay? Ito na lang tayo.
Rod, magsagawa ka, magbibigay. Ganda.
So these all birds are victims of poachers and illegal traders, and some of them are confiscated from black market. But they already domesticated, and for Palawan Talking Mayna, some of them will already learn how to speak, so which is not good. So that's why we need to keep them and stay here in the captivity. Okay, let's go. Let's go tayo.
Ganyan yung kanina.
Alright,
Oh my God.
everyone, so welcome to the Benson. He's one of the best breeders, but he killed other crocodiles, so that's why he needs to transfer. The next crocodile everyone can have sight, so that is Marabahay, and he's crocodile, so that is Kalayaan, and he's also male saltwater crocodile, approximately 60 to 70 years old, and measure of 15.9 feet long. He's one of the finest and a firmer breeder.
Lumayo-layo tayo.
Kaya.
Para kang nakawala sa koral. Ayun yung koral, di ba? Ano yun? Balud. Ah, malaki pala yung balud na yun. Tignan natin yung balud, guys. Ito ang balud. Hindi masyadong kita. Hi. Nagmalaw siya. Hello. Hi.
Nag-hi ka kasi tay-tay pala.
Thank you. Hi, what's your name?